What if you could build a strong financial future without a six-figure salary or trying to find a lucky stock pick? What if the path involved understanding a few key strategies available to many people? For years, I focused on a consistent approach, using my regular income to work towards long-term financial goals. Today, I'm sharing that approach with you. We're going to explore the features of 3 retirement accounts I use to build my savings. Account 1, the 401k, your foundational savings tool. The first pillar of this saving strategy is often the most accessible, the 401k. A key feature to understand is the employer match. An employer match is an opportunity to increase your savings rate. A common matching formula is a dollar-for-dollar match on the first 3% of your salary you contribute, and then 50 cents on the dollar for the next 2%. Let's look at an example. If you earn $60,000 a year and contribute 5%, which is $3,000, your employer might contribute an additional $2,400 based on that formula. You contributed $3,000, but your account would then have a total of $5,400 before any potential market growth. Also, be sure to check your company's vesting schedule. This determines when you gain full ownership of your employer's contributions. A cliff schedule might require you to stay with the company for a set period, like 3 years, while a graded schedule might give you ownership incrementally, such as 20% per year. For 2025, the employee contribution limit is set at $23,500. Those 50 or older can contribute an additional $7,500. Furthermore, under current regulations, individuals aged 60 to 63 may have an even higher catch-up contribution limit. An advanced 401k strategy. For high earners whose plans offer certain features, there's a method sometimes called the Mega Backdoor Roth strategy. The total contribution limit for a 401k from all sources, employee and employer, is $70,000 for 2025. This strategy uses the space between your personal limit and the total limit. It generally works like this, provided your plan allows it. You contribute the maximum to your standard pre-tax or Roth 401k. Your plan must permit after-tax contributions. You can then contribute more, up to the combined $70,000 limit. Finally, your plan must allow for an in-service conversion or withdrawal, which lets you move those after-tax contributions into a Roth 401k or a Roth IRA. This allows you to place a significant amount of additional savings into a Roth account, where qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Check with your plan administrator to see if these options are available to you. Account 2, the Roth IRA, for tax-advantaged growth. The second account is the Roth IRA. Its key benefit is the potential for tax-free qualified withdrawals in retirement. With a traditional 401k or IRA, contributions may be tax-deductible, but you pay income tax on withdrawals. With a Roth IRA, you make contributions with after-tax dollars, and in return, the earnings can grow and be withdrawn tax-free, provided you meet the IRS requirements. This can provide valuable tax diversification in your retirement plan. For 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 to a Roth IRA, plus a $1,000 catch-up contribution if you're 50 or older. However, there are income limitations. To contribute the full amount in 2025, your modified adjusted gross income must be below certain thresholds: $150,000 for single filers, $236,000 for married filing jointly. A strategy for high earners. If your income is above the limit, you can explore the Backdoor Roth IRA. This is not a formal account type, but a 2-step process allowed by the IRS. You contribute to a traditional IRA. At a high income, this contribution is typically non-deductible, made with after-tax money. Shortly after, you convert the funds from the traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. Because you used after-tax money for the initial contribution, the conversion itself is generally not a taxable event. Be aware of the pro rata rule. If you hold other pre-tax funds in any traditional, SEP, or simple IRAs, this can complicate the conversion and may result in a tax liability. This strategy is often most straightforward for those with a zero balance in all other non-Roth IRA accounts. Account 3, the HSA, a unique savings vehicle. The third account is the health savings account. Many view this as a simple account for medical bills, but it can also be a powerful long-term savings tool. An HSA offers a combination of tax advantages. Tax-deductible contributions reduce your taxable income for the year. Tax-free growth, the money can be invested and grow tax-free. Tax-free withdrawals, funds can be withdrawn tax-free for qualified medical expenses. To be eligible, you must be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. For 2025, contribution limits are $4,300 for individuals and $8,550 for families, with an additional $1,000 catch-up for those 55 or older. An advanced HSA strategy. To use your HSA as a long-term investment tool, consider two things. First, invest your contributions. Most HSA providers offer investment options. Second, if your budget allows, consider paying for current medical expenses out of pocket instead of from your HSA. Keep all your receipts. This allows your HSA funds to remain invested and compound over time. Years later in retirement, you can reimburse yourself for all those past medical costs, withdrawing a large sum tax-free. This makes it a flexible account for future expenses. A potential order of operations. Here is a common-sense approach to funding these accounts to get the most out of their features. Step 1. Contribute to your 401k enough to receive the full employer match. Step 2. Contribute to your health savings account, HSA, up to the annual maximum. Step 3. Contribute to your Roth IRA, up to the annual maximum, losing the backdoor method if needed. Step 4. Return to your 401k and contribute more, up to the employee maximum. Step 5. If eligible and your plan allows, consider the Mega Backdoor Roth strategy. By following a structured approach, you can systematically use these accounts to build a strong financial foundation for your future. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 accounts do you find most interesting and why? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance.